sending long text messages, being overly flirtatious, showing insecurities, hair that's too short, dress too revealing, not being able to go with the flow, tattoos, acting needy, excessive swearing, bash other women, piercings, holding onto grudges, fish for compliments, testing them, being high maintenance, gossiping, acting entitled, smoke cigarettes, checking their cell phones/snooping, trying to make them jealous, when they get sloppy drunk, having a negative attitude, being too controlling/overbearing, talking about their ex, sending mixed signals, playing dumb, playing hard to get too much, wearing too much makeup, having bad breath, having bad hygiene, constantly bitch, be rude, being manipulative.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.